Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm at Blu Wolf Bistro in Rochester, New York to take on their Blu Wolf Bistro Burger Challenge. I know, creative name for a challenge, right? Naming a burger after the restaurant. But I have 40 minutes to finish a huge burger. Stick around to the end of the video to see if I can take it down. Cheese sauce, tomato, lettuce, onion, pickle, and on the side there's a pound of bent arm fries and a milkshake to do the challenge as well. Now, I could pick whatever milkshake I wanted from their menu. I went with the blueberry cheesecake, I think that's what it's called. And I believe I have 40 minutes to finish the burger, and if I do, I get the meal for free. I'll ask if they have t-shirts. I'm not sure if I'll get a t-shirt. Some places don't. Do, but I will ask my waiter when he returns. Now, my waiter asked me if there's anything on the challenge that I don't like. I mentioned that I don't like onions or pickles, and he said that they can substitute that for more tomatoes or more bacon. And I was like, yeah, that's awesome. Appreciate it. I would have eaten it anyway, just so we're fair for the challenge. But if he says I can substitute it out, then I'll take it. If I fail, it's going to be $35, but I'm not going to fail. 48 wins and 365 losses. I can't do the math in my head right now, but I will post the success/failure rate right here for you guys. So you guys can see just how tough this challenge will be. My first restaurant challenge since my vegan experiment. It'd be great to have a burger again. An actual beef burger, not one of those impossible burgers. This is also my first challenge in the city of Rochester, and I'm going for overall win number 12. Shake, I'll be right back. Thank you. Alright, so I got my milkshake. I gotta drink that during the challenge. Alright, here's your Blu Wolf challenge. Woo! Wow, that is quite a stacker burger.
Extra of anything, just give me a signal.
Sure. That was an incredible challenge. The staff there were so friendly and very helpful. I'm definitely gonna come back to a Blu Wolf Bistro, but we're not gonna wrap this video up until I have dessert. Remember that gummy pizza from last week? Well, it's time to crack open this bad boy and see what it tastes. Pretty cool. It's like a little personal pizza in gummy form. So it looks less like a pizza, more like just a pile of gummies on a platter. Like look at it. Slightly disappointing. But, hey, let's just see how it tastes. Yeah, it's chewy, gummy. Gummy egg yolk. Gummy bears. Gummy jalapeno peppers. I will not be getting that gummy pizza again. That was a waste of perfectly good Dave & Buster's tickets. But that's gonna do it for today's video. This was win number 12 for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of all future uploads. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram. And I will see you next Friday for my next food challenge. Actually, when this video comes out, it'll be April 29th, which means my next video is going to be my Cinco de Mayo food challenge, which is on Thursday. So, I will see you guys on Thursday for my fiesta. So, I will see you guys on Thursday for my Cinco de Mayo Fiesta Food Challenge. Take care.